Hi friends, today I'm sharing a quick and easy crochet tutorial with you on how to make a mohair scarf. First you'll need some wool and the gang yarn and know how to make granny squares. You can check my video on how to make granny squares to follow along. You will need a 6.5mm crochet hook, and starting with a slip knot, join your yarn. You want to create a circle with 12 double crochet inside the circle. Then you're going to join your second color for your second round, creating your first set of corners for your granny square. To do this, join your yarn and chain 2. Work 2 extra double crochet into the same space, chain 2, and work 3 more double crochet. Chain 2 and skip 3. You're going to then work into the next chain space to continue working corners around your square. Once again, you can see my video on how to make granny squares. Keep joining colors for 3 rounds. Your square should equal 5 inches across. Now we're going to work join as you go method to join our squares. Here's a diagram. You'll want to join each granny square in rows of 2 by 2 for 18 rows. You are going to work a granny stitch into each chain space of the granny square and work all the way around until you have finished. You can make your scarf as thick or as long as you would like it. I make mine with 18 granny squares that each granny square measures 5 inches across. So you can have fun with this and design it as you like, and find the free pattern on Ribblr and at www.crochet.com.